Recently, the Philippines has had scorching temperatures of 40 degrees on average, or sometimes even 50 degrees in some areas of the Philippines. And all of a sudden, this past week has been in and out with some rain, and all of a sudden, again, when I was coming from campus, coming home, started raining really hard, and I didn't anticipate it, so I don't have an umbrella, and I'm just stuck here.
The pale moon that excites me, that thrills and delights me.
I'm just playing games, and no, that's plastic love. Dance to the plastic beat, another morning come.
It's just the nearness of you.
Tell them that it's only temporary. I'm trying my best to smile, but that's never enough. 'Cause when you I'm not afraid, I could be myself, and I hope you could be yourself as well. Maybe once or twice. What about me? What about me? What about me and you together? Something that could really last forever.
Now that I've had just a taste, you got me so intense.
Hey, hey, I'm just playing games. Hey, 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 I'm hungry. Oh, the rain isn't that bad anymore. Nice. Yeah, no, it still got wet. Oh well.